girl Renee, and I'm out in my backyard. And do you see all those bricks that I have up against these walls? I am going to take all those bricks and I'm going to put them in my wheelbarrow and I'm going to store them in my garage. Those are the bricks that came off the top of the retaining wall. So your girl was out here working hard. So I am just going to put my gloves on and you guys are going to just watch Miss Renee get her cardio and her muscle workout in today. Wish me luck. Yay, Renee. All right, here we go. I'm going to start with these 3 bricks right here. I'm going to put you on pause and I'll be right back. All right, guys, as you can see by those red boxes that you guys see over there, my husband just made me some new planting beds. So I need to get all this area cleaned up and I need to remove all these bricks before I can even think about messing with those planter beds. So that's my mission today, is to get all this stuff cleaned up and then I will be able to get back to planting my flowers. That was such a good surprise from him. I'm so excited. And he knows how much I love gardening. So he is helping me turn my backyard into a garden paradise, we'll call that. All right, I better get to working. So hang with me, guys. Guys, I don't know what happened. My phone just shut off on me. So this is the part that I wanted to show you. All the bricks have been removed. Ah, look how nice and clean that looks. So tomorrow, this is what I will be working on. This was what my plan was today, to get all those lemon ball sedums put in the ground. But as you can see, I got distracted by all this bricks that I had to do. So I am going to show you all the lemon ball sedums that I'm going to be putting in, and then when I get it all done tomorrow, I will come back and make a video and let you guys see exactly what this whole area here is going to look like. So this is the area what I will be working on tomorrow. Right in front of each one of those phlox, pink phlox, will be a lemon ball sedum, all the way down to that last phlox over there. And then I'll also be planting some black lilies in those pots over there. That one pot right there. All right, so I'm gonna put you on pause and I'm gonna show you all my beautiful lemon ball sedums. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, I am in the back of my car and I brought 2 more of those phlox. So I have these 2 phlox that I have to put in tomorrow, and I also going to plant. These are those beautiful lilies. I just think these lilies are so beautiful. So I'll be putting in those in that one pot I did. And I also picked up some more of these onions because these did so well for me last year. And I think I'm going to do 2 trays of these this year. And this is a showstopper. Look at this lemon ball sedum. Look at this. I got 6 of these. So I will be planting all these tomorrow right along with these phlox. Just look at the combination of that. Isn't that just a beautiful sight? Just look. Look at the contrast of that. That chartreuse green and that vibrant pink. You just can't go wrong with these phlox. Oh my gosh, that's going to be so gorgeous. So gorgeous. Alright, guys, and I wanted to let you know the information on this phlox is that, let me get the information, is that this is a red wing creeping phlox. So I'm hoping that this will be exactly what it will do in my yard. I want it to creep and spread just like that. And it says it's a perennial, and I got a 1-year guarantee, and it costs $7. And on the back, let's see, supposed to be deer resistant, and you know I got deer over here. And look at the cold hardiness, spacing 12 inches, which I put them a little closer because I want them to spread a little quicker. I gotta, put some fertilizer, which I did in the hole when I planted it, so that's good. And for more info, I guess you can text this number. I might have to try that just to see what it says. All right, and it gives you an idea how big to plant the hole and put the plant in it. All right, guys, so this is what my chore will be. I shouldn't call it a chore. I should call it, this is something that I would be loving to do in my yard tomorrow. My 2 phlox and all those beautiful lemon ball sedums. All right, guys, hope you have a wonderful day. Hope you have a blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. Let's take a last look at the phlox and the lemon ball sedum. All right, guys, take care.